how to install ASG45 Top Box, SG45 Top Box on Dominar UG model with the stock rack that was provided to us. So the issue was like the screw that is provided with the box are bigger than this hole, so you will need to get some small screws. I'll show you that small screws. Second thing, this plate doesn't fit directly onto this top box, so you will need to drill two holes. One I did over here and the second one is over here. So I went to the welding shop and I got these two holes drilled on this plate. And one more thing is like you'll have to remove the stock backrest that is provided. You won't be able to fit this top box until you remove the backrest. So this is the thing you have to do the modification for this. I'll show you the nuts also. So this is the nut that was provided by the top box, ASG top box that is coming inside the top box. So if you can see, this is not getting fit. See, this is not going inside this holes that they have provided. So what you'll need to do, you'll need to go to some hardware shop and get a smaller size nut, which is smaller, one size smaller than this nut. So it gets the nut that I've got is like perfectly fits into the hole, and it's like of perfect size also. So you will need to get this nut. I don't know which size it is, but yeah, you have to get this. So yes, so we are adding this nut like this over here also, and over here also. So I have drilled over 1 year. So it is easy. You can mark the spot from below over here. You can mark the spot from bottom side. You can keep the plate up and you can mark it from the bottom side. It will be easy to mark, and the hole would not get misplaced, and get a drill from a welding shop. So I have got this installed. I have tightened the screw, and if you can see over here, there is a little bit gap, but it is still tight, and the top plate is also not moving at all. So it is very sturdy right now. So I hope it will be stable. But yeah, I guess the nuts, I'll have to keep the extra pair of nuts, these bolts, because it might fall at any time. So we have installed it. You have to make sure that the nut goes exactly inside this, and this is getting fit. You have to push it before you add or install it on that particular something is there, and then push it and release it. It will get automatically locked, and once it is locked, it is not moving for me right now, but still I am thinking of adding a rubber pad to it so that it doesn't make noise. Let's do a test and check if it is making noise or not.